This remote throw system for Mavic Pro. And you can do it for fishing and dropping the stuff, dropping lightweight. So I got this on eBay, and it's like $35 and pretty cheap. They have like $100. I think this is really helpful for that. It's just not on budget stuff. All right, so this one you just have to set up. So it's really easy. They give you a menu which is show you how to set it up. So I'll just look here and I'll show you. Unfold your Mavic Pro, unfold this, okay, and now now let's hook this up first. This is they call it antenna. Okay, you hook it up like this. Make sure it sit properly in the bottom right here, in the bottom right there, and then you then you snap it like this, and see, it's really easy. Okay, really easy. See, this is the servo that you can hook up anything like a wire or the string, like hook up like this. And yeah, it maximum load weight is 500 gram. Wow, which is really heavy for this small Mavic Pro. Okay, now put the lag. You put lag like this to stand up a little bit higher. Put like this, and put like this. Okay. Okay, and this is for the sticker, like this. Okay, you stick it like this. All right. You can do it now if you like. They put a sticker for you too, just in case you need it. Okay. Now stick it like this. All right. And another one. Okay, perfect. And this one is for landing gear. Okay. Like this. Good. Now everything is working. All right. So to set this up, you just have to make sure you're facing the right direction. So this one right here, the one the switch located, it need to be facing on left side. Okay, on left side of this zone. So you put like this. Make sure it line up the bottom. Line up the bottom. Adding mode. And you snap it like this, and then you make sure this one they use the light sensor, to switch on and off, to switch this servo. Okay, they use this light sensor, so you have to change the setting for the light sensor like this. You see I choose the one button to turn on and off for the light sensor. So what I do is customize, button customize. Okay, you go to setting, you go to this button right there. Okay, right there, go there, and then go remote, and then go down, and then you choose C1 or C2, whichever you like. I just want to choose one, C2. Choose C2, and then you choose turn it on. I don't know if you can see it. You see that? Turn on and off head LED. Okay, so this one they use the LED to turn it off and on. They use this sensor. It's not antenna. Okay, it's not anything. Okay, so you plug this in right here. Plug in right here. Then go back around, and then okay, and then you go around like this, and then cover this LED with this right here. It perfectly fit. And now you're gonna get the rubber band. Where the rubber band is. Okay, so rubber band is right here. Earlier I did it wrong. I thought this is just antenna. So now you're gonna grab this, and then okay, looking good. All right, it covered up the LED like that. Okay, and now we try to use the switch. Okay, so the switch is good, and now I'm gonna press this C2. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, press C2. The light gonna come on. This light gonna turn on. Oh wait, hold up. I have to turn it on. Turn on this. There you go. Good. All right, turn it on. See? It worked perfect. Good. The light needs to be on and off. It can be used in day or night, whichever day you like. Pretty nice. All right. Good. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if this one worked for you and if it's helpful for you, and please ask me if you have any question.